Okay, little rant again about the empty propeller. Empty propeller is, as you can see, is a very nice three-bladed prop. Basically, the way it's done, it's machined wood with a wood core. I think there's maybe foam inside as well, but it's machined, and then basically what they do is they apply a coat of resin or finish on top of it with metal to protect the leading edge of the propeller, and basically this is painted. So what might happen over time is that you start losing that coating, like it happened here, and then you start to have literally exposed wood on the propeller, which is not good, right? Because with water and all sorts of other things, it might get bad over time, and then it keeps delaminating even more. So this one has been overhauled and pretty new. It's pretty sharp propeller, pretty light also. But the issue to have with this is that it tends to delaminate on the end of the trailing edge. So if anybody else has problems with empty prop, just get in touch, let's have a discussion. This has been happening over the course of several months, obviously. And so the simple fix from our mechanic is to literally add epoxy resin on top to kind of seal it and avoid any further water damage. Cheers!